This is Papyrus! How did I get this number? It was easy! I just dialed every number sequentially until I got yours! So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend.
Is this like...
She thought she saw you wearing a bandana. Is that true? Are you wearing a bandana?
Yes. No.
So you are wearing a bandana. Actually, we are wearing a bandana.
Oh, we are? I can't tell.
Well, it's an armor thing. Got it. Wink, wink. Have a nice day.
I was gonna say... Of course we're with bandana. We're Solid Snake.
See? The team's gear now got this.
Man, they've been in there.
A long time ago.
Interesting. Interesting. What are you seeing out there?
Wishing room. Dozens of people wishing together can't be wrong. The king will prove that.
I don't know. People wish every day.
Come on, sis. Make a wish.
Call us unanswered prayers.
Washua shuffles up.
What the hell is that?
This humble germaphobe seeks to cleanse the whole world.
I don't know what is that? Is that like a...
He's a washing machine.
It's like a washing machine. It's like...
Ah. He's a very hard to dodge washing machine.
Like a duck face.
Washua wonders if tears are sanitary.
They have salt in it, don't they? No, that's sweat.
Green means clean.
No, it does not.
Ah.
You won. We also have not much health left.
Yeah. I wish my sister and I will see the real stars someday. Ah, seems my horoscope is the same as last week's.
We'll save these things.
Just passerby.
Yes. Shit.
Ancient writing covers the walls. You can just make out the words. The war of humans and monsters. Why did the humans attack? Indeed, it seemed they had nothing to fear. Humans are unbelievably strong. It would take the soul of nearly every monster just to equal the power of a single human soul.
Oh, well the soul is capitalized. That must be important to the plot.
Yes. But humans have one weakness. Ironically, it is the strength of their soul. Its power allows it to persist outside of the human body even after death.
Well, they can try to steal souls.
If a monster defeats a human, they can take its soul.
Well, that answers my question.
A monster with a human soul? A horrible beast with unfathomable power. It's an illustration of a strange creature. There's something very unsettling about this drawing. Oh, by the way, remember when we were doing the game earlier, I was backtracking a bit through this area? And we saw the thing that takes you from one side to the other?
Yeah.
You don't run into that at first, so I'd never heard about it before. Normally you just do this. And I am going to take a moment here. Remember what I said about the shadows?
Yep. Oh dear. Run! Run!
Yeah. If I get hit, I'll tell you what happens when I get hit. Just easier. That's why I don't want to get hit.
It's like a rain of them.
Yeah.
It's like the wrong guy. It's like the other wrong guy.
Hi.
I knew that would happen.
Yo, did you see that? Undyne just touched me. I'm never watching my face ever again.
That's not a good thing to do.
Man, are you unlucky. If you were standing just a little bit to the left. Yo, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again.
Oh, whoop de effing do. Let's get the hell out of here.
This cheese has been here so long, the magic crystal has grown around it. It's stuck to the table. Knowing the mouse might one day extract the cheese from the magical crystal, it fills you with determination. I'm thinking about getting into the telescope business. It's normally 50,000 G to use this premium telescope, but since I know you, you can use it for free. How's about it? Do you remember this part?
Yes. He teleports a lot, doesn't he?
He does move around pretty quickly.
Is this his second job?
The other stand was his second job.
Bro, what's his first job? Sentry?
Yeah, the sentry at the station, the snow area.
Yeah, so what's he doing here? Is this his third job?
Apparently. What's a star? Can you touch it? Can you eat it? Can you kill it? Are you a star?
You know, actually, you can. The answer to all those questions are yes, but you would be dead.
Unless you're Galactus or something.
Yeah. You can technically kill a star, you just need to have super amounts of huge force. So basically, let it die by itself.
The ancient glyphs have been painted over with a list of 21 different flavors. I moved my store, but there's no customers. Fortunately, I've thought of a solution. Punch cards! Every time you buy an ice cream, you can take a punch card from the box. If you have 3 cards, you can trade them in for a free ice cream. They're sure to get the customers to come back. I'm out of space, so I'm not going to worry about that right now. Well then, hey friends. There's ice cream hidden in the depths of a watery cavern.
Can you expand your backpack or whatever, your inventory?
No. Most I can do is deposit. Oh, there actually is a box right outside. I'm not gonna.
Do we need any of that?
Mostly just the healing items.
Alright. How is your health going after that little...
Oh, the save points heal me.
Okay, cool.
So I'm covered.
Oh, I wish that was effective in other games. Saving heals you.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about the punch card right now, but I did want an ice cream. And I'm gonna keep one slot open. Oh. Quick little detour. There's a duck.
Necrophiles are everywhere.
Yep. A passing conversation. So, don't you have any wishes to make? You hear passing conversation. Just one, but it's kind of stupid.
We're gonna have a complete sentence eventually by the end of this.
Presumably.
That was quick.
Well, about those guys who are from the ruins?
Yeah.
It's a pair of ballet shoes. Will you take it?
Did that person want to be a ballet?
Yep.
Good answer.
These used shoes make you feel incredibly dangerous.
You know, there's a good reason to wear armor, but there's really not much reason to wear anything that would increase your attack with it, right?
Not really, I'm just doing it for the sake of having it.
Okay. It's like
There's really only...
sparing them.
There is a weapon that will be useful later. I'll be coming to... Oh, hang on. Hello! This is Papyrus! Remember when I asked you about clothes? Well, the friend who wanted to know, her opinion of you is very... murdery. Well, worry not, dear human. Papyrus would never betray you! I am not a cruel person. I strive to be comforting and pleasant. Papyrus, he smells like the moon! So, because of my inherent goodness, I told her you were not wearing a bandana. Even though you told me you were. Instead, I made something up. I told her you were wearing a dusty tutu.
Oh.
I was wondering how this would happen, but I'll get to that in a second. It pained me to tell such a bold-faced lie. I know you would never ever wear a dusty tutu. Damn it, Papyrus. But your safety is more important than fashion. Dang. I just want to be friends with everyone.
I'm assuming that it would have been the opposite had you let him know.
Yeah, well, the conversation will always end up in such a way that he'll tell Undyne what your current armor is.
Yeah.
So what is, like, if had I changed nothing at all, like had I stayed with what I was wearing when he called me the first time, he'd have said she told her I was wearing that because she'd assumed I'd have changed.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Aaron guy.
Yeah.
Is flexing always the best way of beating this guy?
There is another way, but you have to trigger something first in the game.
It's like a spare thing. Oh, a shoot thing.
Yeah. There is a way to make the shoe work, but you have to do something specific later.
If you don't spare it, do you not get gold?
I think you still get gold either way.
Oh, okay.
Don't say that. Come on, I promise I won't laugh.
That person laughed, didn't they?
The power to take their souls. This is the power that the humans feared. Did you see this character before?
I feel like I have, but yet not really.
Hey there! Noticed you were here. I'm Onion-san. Onion-san, you here? Onion? Even Papyrus is confused. You're visiting Waterfall, huh? It's great here, huh? You love it, huh?
Is that guy a girl?
I do not know. Yeah, me too. It's my big favorite. Even though the water's getting so shallow here, I have to sit down all the time, but hey, that's okay. It beats moving to the city and living in a crowded aquarium like all my friends did. And the aquarium is full anyway, so even if I wanted to, that's okay though. You hear? Undyne's gonna fix everything. You hear? I'm gonna get out of here and live in the ocean. You hear? Hey, there. That's the end of this room. I'll see you around. Have a good time. In Waterfall.
When the guy made this game, was he on cocaine or was he on like ecstasy?
Do not know. Siren hides in the corner, but somehow encounters you anyway. Tone deaf. She's too ashamed to sing her deadly song. Whoa. You hum a funky tune. Siren follows your melody.
It's true though, a tone-deaf siren would be pretty useless.
Or much worse than a normal siren. Siren seems much more comfortable singing along.
You're making her stronger!
Monsters are drawn to the music. Suddenly, it's a concert. Sans is selling tickets made of toilet paper.
Oh, he's already there?
The seats are sold out. You feel like a rock star. crowd tosses clothing. It's a storm of socks. But the constant attention, the tours, the groupies, it's all... You and Siren have come so far, but it's time. You both have your own journeys to embark on. You hum a farewell song.
This is awfully dramatic.
Whoa!